My room?
Your room? What's your last name?
Okay, ECH. Okay, Promise. Okay. I think they use Promise as the.
What?
Promise. Okay.
Oh, you're in 20, so yes, it is this.
All right, thank you. So, yeah. Ekene Okoye and Florence Adobaka and Joy. I mean, why am I mentioning you guys? Because you guys were the one that bundled me to hospital when I had told you guys I was having sleep disorder, precisely the lack of sleep, that I would like to see you guys. It took you guys either 5 or 10 days to come. After I had called George and Owen and Simeon, whom I met at Savoy, did I avoid my vehicle and took them as brothers. I didn't know they're just bringing brothers. Because I was only seeing things which was more of vision, like I was in trance, not really psychotic. But because the people I had wanted to interact with told me I should go to hospital, I connected me I should go to Rite Aid and take sleeping tablets. That's how I never ended up calling the cops, telling them whatever she wanna tell them. That's how they bundled me to hospital, gave me wrong medication. That's how I lost over $17 million in business. I mean, I came here 2011, I was making at least $1,500 every week comfortably. $50 from each phone I sell after expenses, you know. I mean, a lot of people, even Uche Agamba and a few people told me, I mean, people were told you that, told you not to go into law, that you should go into nursing. Once you're done, they're gonna send the invitation. That's the parameter to send the American invitation is to go into nursing, you know. I mean, let me make it very easy for you guys. You know. What's his name? Obaka, you said your wife and you or whoever spent a lot of money to train me in college, and that is why I'm supposed to marry your sister on fraud basis to compensate you guys, right? Obaka, tell your wife to present the document, the account of everything she spent on me right from the day I was born. Every kobo, I will still add 10 million naira profit on it as a business guy. I want to refund you and whoever think they spend a lot of money on me. Because people who knows me knew, even as a nursing student, I was making my own money, you know. But it's all good. Now, after doing the calculation of Obaka, then I will tell you how much you will pay me for depriving me of motherhood. Right? Because Mama called last time and said that was I the one that did you what is doing you? Even though that I already understand once she's old, I don't want to say she have dementia. Probably somebody actually put that thought in her, because I know my mom don't have dementia, and I know she's a very intellectual and intuitive woman. But for you and my siblings to deprive me motherhood and use my mom as a babysitter over 20 years. I mean, I've spent only about 10 years with my mom since she born me. And you guys think it's joke. If I was avaricious or materialistic like you guys, I would have said you would pay me. Hi, sir. How you doing? Welcome.
Want me to come back?
No, it's okay. Go ahead.
Okay.
All right. God bless you guys. My doctor is here.